Order forms are the main way to sell services with SPP. You can create as many order forms as you need to feature your services and either link to order forms from your website or send them directly to customers. Before we dive in, make sure you've set up some services. If you haven't, check out the help article on setting up services before continuing. When you're ready, head over to Order Forms and click Add Form to open the form builder. The form name is for your internal reference only, whereas the form information will appear at the top of the form. The rest of your order form can be constructed using the options on the right-hand side. Just click on the option that you want to add. At a minimum, you'll probably want to include services that you want to feature. You'll see that there are different options for displaying services on your form. I'm going to go ahead and use this checkbox group because I have multiple services that I want to feature on the form. When you click on the field that you've just added, you'll see that new options appear on the right-hand side. For services, you'll want to make sure that you select the services you want to feature from the drop-down here. You can also give the field a title and choose to make this field required or allow a quantity input if you wish. You can add as many fields as you need to collect more information from the customer at this stage. In this example, we might want to add a text input to collect some blog topic ideas from the customer. So to do that, I just select single line of text and then click the field here. Now I can rename the field, and I can even add some placeholder text to give the customer some pointers. Again, I could choose to make this field required. I can also drag and drop items on the form to reorder. So if I want my customers to be able to select their service first, then enter their blog ideas, their email, and their payment method, I can do so. From here, I can hit Save, and at any point, I can preview this form by hitting View Form. You'll see here the title appears at the top and my various services appear on the form. To give you an idea of how a more built-out form looks, here's another example. You can see here the services feature images, which have been added in the service setup, and we've added some options and extras as well. Depending on the number of services you have available, you might want to create a single order form or multiple order forms to represent what you have to offer. If you need any pointers for setting up your order forms, please feel free to get in touch and we'll be very happy to help.